Hello. It didn't take many people to say yes to doing this, so here I am. I'm gonna watch my first, or one of the first YouTube videos that I ever made and never published. I'm gonna make this short only because I know that there's a watermark over the video. I have nails on, so excuse my hands. I'm gonna make this pretty short and just kind of skip through the video. Which one should I watch? Let's watch Test.
Foundation or anything, I'm just going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer on my face. I've already done my forehead and eyebrows. You can watch another video for that. But I was going to go ahead and do my face.
If you saw the eyebrow tutorial that I did, you wouldn't want to watch this. You wouldn't want to watch any of this, to be honest. Like, it's frightening how dark my eyebrows were. And the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer.
Let that sit for a second before I put anything else.
Alright, I'm gonna let that sit. Like, what was that gonna do for that silicone primer?
The Cover FX Orange Color Corrector. So I'm just gonna use that underneath my eyes.
Girl. I could have sworn up and down that I needed that. Simple concealer. We didn't need to do all that. I used to think that I had like mad discoloration on my skin when I didn't. So much.
Sounds like me a lot, but my eyes are very
To me, you in the future doesn't like this. And then I basically just blended it all away with a not beauty blender.
But I've done that. I'm going to use the Sephora 10-Hour Wear Perfection Foundation in Espresso or in 67. I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand and use my not beauty blender to blend it out.
That foundation was like my life. I actually got rid of the darkest shade, at least in stores at first, and then they got rid of it, like I think altogether. I don't know if they have that shade anymore. Actually, did they even have the foundation anymore? I don't know. It was months before I started working at Sephora. And the foundation under the eyes, yep, okay. All that brightness that you work so hard for.
I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Deep to highlight my face.
That was the first version of Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and the darkest shade was not that dark. How much did I use? Oh, it's like, I wanted that bird on my face. I wanted a bird.
And then I blend it out.
And then I blend it out. I still do stuff like that. I still do. The thing about this concealer is that it was actually pretty sheer. Like, it wasn't full coverage concealer, so I could get away with it. Kinda. Girl, my editing is still rough. This is why my videos are so long, because why did I have to keep this in there? It's actually so unnecessary. Girl, it looks no dip. I've come a long way in 4 years, if you can't tell.
Just going to set it with a
Oh, I know what I used.
setting powder. No, don't make that me because this is almost done. I hit pan like 3 months ago. So
3 months ago. Listen here. I can't. This is stressful.
Sephora Bright Set Press Finishing Powder.
Do I still make that face?
Banana.
That yellow Sephora collection
So
powder.
just take
It was dry. Now that I think of that texture.
And oh, it's gross. Take a wedge and swirl it around, and then
I used to.
set my eyes.
That's something in my memory that I literally just threw away.
Okay. So
Was I baking?
what I'm gonna do next, I'm just
I don't bake anymore. Whoa. No.
this bake contour.
Contour sis with what?
And
An eyeshadow.
I use my Tartelette palette for so many things.
I
It's
did.
contour.
She said my Tartelette palette is for my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, my face. It's a face palette. Contouring your nose. Oh, that's pretty dark. You need to contour your nose. Not with that. Not like that. And not.
But my nose is not gonna stay like that. So I'm gonna dust off the bake and then kind of blend the nose out a bit more.
How about you just didn't do that? It would have been a lot easier, guarantee it. Cheap brush. Pretty sure that was a fake Urban Decay brush. Dusty girlfriend, that is not cute. And where's the music on this video?
That is my foundation highlight
Highlight? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Where is your highlight? Where is your glow? Who? Ugh! Dusty.
So
Dusty.
hopefully it's helpful. And
It's not helpful to me.
I will complete this face in another video. Bye.
That's where the music comes in? Bye. No, we're done. We're done. I'm done embarrassing myself for the day. Thanks for watching this. I hope you see it. Bye.